Hey people, Jay here and welcome to my channel. Today's video is another Power Hour hosted by myself and it's in collaboration with some wonderful ladies here on YouTube. So be sure to check out the playlist listed in the description box below. So let's get started.
It's been 3 days since I've seen you, and I just can't forget, girl, gets worse. I spend all night trying to feel good, trying to forget about you. I can't forget about you. Oh, I can't explain just what you've done to me. It feels like the rain is pouring all over me. You make me feel free. I wanna believe in you, believe in you. Oh, I just gotta know, will you be here forever? And if I let you go, oh baby, I just gotta know, oh, I just gotta know, will you be here forever? And if I let you go, oh baby, I just gotta know. My heart can only take so much before it falls down and hits the ground. I wanna love you, I'm not
I will be tackling a load of clothes, my kitchen, and cleaning the bathroom.
Oh, I can't explain just what you've done to me. It feels like the rain is pouring all over me. You make me feel free. I wanna believe in you, believe in you. Oh, I just gotta know, will you be here forever? And if I let you go, oh baby, I just gotta know, oh, I just gotta know, will you be here forever? And if I let you go, oh baby, I just
Here on my channel, I do cleaning, decluttering, and organization type of content. If that interests you, be sure to subscribe to my channel. Be sure to check out the playlist of all the other Power Hours I have done from September to the present. If you would like to participate in next month's collaboration, just leave me a comment.
oh, I just gotta know, will you be here forever? I gotta know, and if I let you go, oh baby, I just gotta know, I just gotta know, will you be here forever? And if I let you go, oh baby, I just gotta know.
What type of cleaning system do you do to get you motivated to clean your home?
So full of self-confidence, and everything you said made a lot of sense. I thought I was too cold to ever love again, but every single word cut through the rain. We see the distance grow, I just need to know, do you even feel the same? I'm living in your messages, I'm closer to you there, I guess. Living in your messages, every day now I confess. I hear your laughter from within. You can light up any room without going in. Funny how just a few letters in a row turned into a smile, and now you can't let go. Oh, oh. We see the distance grow. I just need to know, do you even feel the same? I'm living in your messages. I'm closer to you there, I guess. Living in your messages. Every day now I confess. I thought I'd never wanna stay. I was dead wrong. I have tried to look away. I'm not that strong. Promise me don't make me wait. Been here too long. Tell me if it is too late. Is it too late? I'm closer to you there, I guess.
In my bathtub, there was a slow draining of water, so I tried using the hack where I used the vinegar, baking soda, and hot water. That did not work for me. After watching a couple of videos, I saw that I needed to take everything apart in order for me to take care of what was happening with this water draining out so slowly. After doing this really works well. It's easy to do. And as you can see in the video, I take things apart, but anyone could do this. And in a matter of minutes, you have a brand new bathtub that works really well.
Fast car to imagine I'm tripping. You can light it up, girl, I ain't the guy judging. And baby, that's on me, I don't need a boost. This is every part of me and everything I do. If it's the money part you're digging me, I will take you to a place downtown. But if you don't like all the bling you see, I'll show you my little smoother side. And when we are out cruising, you don't need my hand to hold. I kinda like what we're doing, how this story will unfold. If you wanna join, I am open for business. I can be your gun, baby, and you will be the trigger. Let's put up a show that we'll never forget. And yeah, baby, there's no shame. We'll take it as far as we want to, so listen. Stop at any place that is better than prison. Put it all on me, I don't need the booze. This is every part of me and everything I do. If it's the money part you digging me, I will take you to a place downtown. But if you don't like all the bling you see, I'll show you my little smoother side. And when we are out cruising, you don't need my hand to hold. I kinda like what we're doing, how this story will Let's take off where we started, me and you and our body.
So by this time, it was time for me to switch over to clothes. I had put the setting for the wash on, I believe, like 6 minutes. So it didn't take a extreme long time for the clothes to wash. There are different settings, and this particular day, I chose the 6 minutes time. And as you can see, it is time in the power hour is over. It is all done. And this is my bathroom here, so I am just showing you guys after shots. Everything is clean and fresh and ready to go for the next person to use it. in this shot right here, you can see that I finished cleaning up my kitchen and everything is clean and ready to go for the next day. Well, I hope that you guys enjoyed today's Power Hour. Be sure to check out the playlist. It will be listed in the description box below of all the other participants in today's collab. And I will see you guys in the next one.